it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a pin unboxing for today's Vlogmas video for you. If you might already know, it's Coco. Yes, I know we're in December, but I put on some Coco inspired lights in the back. We're going to be unboxing 5 of these mystery Coco pin boxes that we just picked up in Disney World in the park when we were there at the end of November. Let me show you everything that we have here. I mean, honestly, I will be happy with each and every single one of these. Just like, let's hope there's no duplicates. All right, so without further ado, let's open the first box. So like I said, I have 5 boxes and there is 2 pins for each box. All right, I do have scissors just in case. Okay, so we have 2 blind baggies like this. I'm gonna use the scissors, and I'm gonna cut them both right away. I haven't looked. There's like paper inside, so you can't really even feel it. Yeah. All right, so baggie number 1. Oh, it's Dante! Dante as the spirit animal. Can you see him? There he goes. Oh, he's adorable. I love it. Love all the colors. He is cute. And this is the back of the pin. All right, yay for Dante. I love him. I love all of the characters, honestly. Hector, I think Hector is my guy. All right, so my next pin is Miguel, and he's just super happy and adorable as he is. It's a really good quality. All right, so that was a good start. So let me open box number 2. Oops, I just almost cut my finger off. Kids, don't do this at home without parental supervision. Okay, let me get into this box. This is exciting. All right, I cut off the baggie number 1 and baggie number 2. Okay, let's see. Oh, we got Dante again as the spirit animal. Can you see him? Super cute. Okay, come on. We were off to a really good start. All right, who's this? This is different. Oh, yay! Sugar Skull. Love the colors. So cute. And let me show you the back. And this is big. Like, this is a big pin. Okay. Box number 3. Okay. Okay, not bad. 4 pins. 1 duplicate out of the 4. Okay. The first baggie. And here's the second baggie. Okay. Oh, yes! Okay. I'm happy. I love her. I think I cannot like believe that I am even questioning what's her name. I think it's Mama Coco. And let me show you the back. Oh my gosh, she's just awesome. Oh, so cute. Okay, baggie number 2. All right. We got Dante. But this is like the regular Dante, but he's just awesome. Oh my god, I love him. He's so cute. And then this is the bag. Right, so box number 5. Let's go. Okay, so that's been a good start. Well, we're like halfway. Ouch, I just hurt my nail. These are so cute. When I saw them, we didn't see these in September when we were in Disney of this year, of this crazy year. So when I saw them in November, I was just like, OMG, I have to have them. Okay, here are the baggies. I think they know how much I love Dante, don't they? Okay, so we have another Dante as a spirit animal. There he is. Or am I covering his face? Yes, I was covering his face. There he goes. Okay. Alright, come on. Come on. Where's my Miguel? Oh, we got another double. We got Hector. Focus. Last box. By the way, like, look how pretty the box is. It's just, sorry, my scissors. It's just so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wishful thinking. Hector, of course, and Mama Melda. I'm sorry, I'm butchering the names. I don't have much knowledge of Spanish nor proper pronunciations. Okay. Alright. Come on. Let's manifest. Oh. Alright. Baggie number 1 and baggie number 2. Let's do this. Oh, another double. Sugar skull. Okay, and the very last one. Okay, I'm looking at it from the back, and I think it's I think it's Dante. It is Dante. It is Dante. Oh. Alright, so 5 boxes. Oh my gosh. Here are all the Dantes. Alright. 4. Ay, ay, ay. And then what else? And then we got 2 sugar skulls and 2 Miguels. Miguel and sugar skulls, 2 and 2. So the only non-duplicates I got was Mama Coco and regular Dante. Super cute. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So, little surprise, since I have all these duplicates, we're gonna do a little giveaway to celebrate the holidays, right? Why not? Let's just give away everything. So be sure to be subscribed to this channel, be sure to like this video, and be sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know who is your favorite character from Coco. And also please follow us on Instagram over at Happy Travel Vlogs, because we'll get in contact with you over there to announce if you have won. And this will be a very short giveaway, so hopefully you're gonna watch it the first day it comes out. Honestly, I just want to get these in and send them on their merry way to you so you can enjoy them during this holiday season. Alright guys, happy holidays, and we'll see you real soon. Bye!